Hello everyone. So far we were automating STAAD using our desktop applications, right? Today we have made a tremendous progress in our automation journey where we are going to automate STAAD from the web app using OpenSTAAD function. So whatever features or whatever functions which were available in OpenSTAAD to automate the STAAD workflow can be now accessed through web. As a proof of concept, I have created a simple web application which contains one button that says analyze. Yeah, by clicking that, it will analyze the model which is currently open in our system, right? Let us check and see how it works. I'm going to press this button. Yeah, analyze. It says STAAD analysis started successfully and you can see the analysis running already, right? So that's all for this update. Now we have the proof of concept, and from here on we can develop more and more web apps to automate STAAD. So no more desktop applications. Thank you for watching.